This time of year is special for so many reasons. The days are getting longer and warmer, and signs of spring are everywhere. The academic year is also drawing to a close, and for many students, this means graduation is just around the corner. For all of us here at CCAC, we have an additional reason to celebrate as April kicks off Pennsylvania Community College Month. Throughout April, CCAC will be highlighting the vital role that community colleges play in our state, our communities, and our lives. For instance, did you know that Pennsylvania's 15 community colleges serve nearly 240,000 students annually? Or that since the year 2000, CCAC has served 629,997 students, of whom 486,367 were Allegheny County residents, which is nearly half of all county residents 18 years of age and older. As for CCAC graduates, an impressive 88% live and work in the region. Our graduates can be found working at leading companies, organizations, and institutions. And CCAC alumni are actively engaged in every sector of society, providing leadership to scores of economic, scientific, civic, and philanthropic entities, both in the Pittsburgh region and around the world. What's more, CCAC supports the equivalent of 1 out of every 57 jobs in the region. And equally noteworthy, for every dollar Allegheny County invests in the college, CCAC returns $2.50 to the local economy. This is great news for our students, our graduates, and for all of us proud to call Southwestern Pennsylvania home. Do you know someone who's considering college? Or perhaps you're thinking of becoming a CCAC student yourself. If so, CCAC is holding open houses later this month. Our Nursing and Allied Health Open House will be held Wednesday, April 23rd from 3:30 to 6:30 p.m. at our Boyce campus, followed by a more general open house on Saturday, April 26th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Allegheny campus. Further information and directions to both locations can be found by visiting ccac.edu. CCAC is also hosting a spring job fair on April 29th in the Allegheny campus gymnasium, which is open to all students, alumni, and members of the community. This event offers participants the opportunity to meet more than 50 employers while picking up valuable resume and interview tips that can help you find a job once you graduate. Before I sign off, I have one last piece of exciting news to share. The fall 2025 scholarship applications are now open. For all of you who will be returning to CCAC next fall, I urge you to log on to ccac.awardspring.com before May 1st to discover what CCAC scholarships are waiting for you. You may be surprised just how much you can get to pay for college. So enjoy the many bounties of this glorious month, and I look forward to sharing more good news with you in May.